Carolina Moondogs are a different type of band. They're a fun, funky, horn-driven, multi-vocalist variety dance band. They do pop, they do beach, they do Motown, they do oldies, ballroom dances, country, and some original compositions. So it's a group designed to get everybody that's at the event engaged, dancing up on the floor, so they can hear a song and go, oh, that's one of my favorite songs, or, oh, I remember that one. And again, get them up on the dance floor and get everybody engaged. With the Carolina Moondogs, we try to promote ourselves as a variety band. People will ask, can you do an entire evening of beach, or can you do an entire evening of swing music? And the answer is yes, we can do that. But we feel like if you do that, not everybody shag dances, or not everybody swing dances. And so when you do that, you're limiting some folks, and everybody can't be involved. Everybody can't be a part of the evening. And our desire is for everybody to get involved and have fun at the event. The Moondogs' influences are bands like Tower of Power, or Blood, Sweat and Tears, or the new groups out of Nashville, the Bottom 40ers, the Smoking Section. We've got a real driving rhythm section, and we've got a real blazing horn section that just really carry the band. The four vocalists that we have are just amazing singers. Each of them has their own genre and their own strength, and we can do anything from Sinatra to Justin Timberlake to Bruno Mars or Vince Gill. And our female vocalist is really fabulous. She can do anything from Ella Fitzgerald to Lady Gaga. Then if you take those four voices and mix them together, it just creates great harmonies, and they allow us to do tunes from the Embers or the Temptations or Rascal Flatts. All of those type groups that you're hearing those tight harmonies on, we're able to do. So if you're looking for a band, a 9 to 11 piece variety band for your special event, I think you should give the Carolina Moondogs a look and definitely a listen.